Everything come.
Yeah.
Yeah, mash up.
Mash up.
Yeah, mash up.
And most of the people them up here farm them farm.
Pure farming.
So everybody livelihood gone. And you're totally against mining in the area.
Huh?
And you're totally against mining in the area.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
This place, if them should mind the Cockpit Country. Number one, I like to know where the Prime Minister going to put we, or where Mr. Miranda going to put we. Number two, if them mind the Cockpit Country, mine over that side and we over this side, every 3 weeks, you have to clean your window. You can't catch some water for your rooftop to drink again. Martabry River travel behind there, so. Down that river travel over there, so. So, I don't know where they are, so Mr. Miranda. Because I see why do it sentence, you know. Gibraltar and Madras, you know. So, we can't take no mine in here so right now. And at the same time, if you mind, we like the government come in and tell you, where you going to put we? Where you going to put we? No mining. Once them the cheap, no mining. Right now, I like a yam live up, you know. Cocoa, sweet potato. If the place mine, where we go and plant? I don't have no skill, you know. So, if them move and put our next place, what me go and live off? When me travel town and all the town, I see more buyer than seller out there, you know. So if all who there so move and go there to go buy and sell, a problem. When my people go to school, me not have no skill out there, so pick out, go do no skill. I yam me plant. And in a Cockpit Country, me plant me 2 bank of yam. Me sweet potato, I eat me live off. Me not go nowhere to get no work, because no employment no in there. So, the 2 little people employed to government, yeah, so about 6 or 7 employed to government. All the rest of it, a farming. See there? All the if I know this and the fark, we dead for hungry.
Here, so we have every little liberty what we have. For we born and grow till now. The government no business with we. All the government business with us is to sell we out and we don't know about it. Behind our back. Right. Them just sell we and do everything that is bad behind our back. They not come to us as a people and say what they are doing to us. No, me no know if Miss Dalrymple. No, I see the share come here. It's true.
One at the time, Miss here on the TV, and she said she wouldn't like the Cockpit Country for mine. But me never hear she come and say nothing else. She no come on and come keep and meet with me and tell me nothing. 2 meet me go and me no see her there. Miranda keep one aside.
2 demonstration. We have 2 demonstration and she no present. And we ask her and then no present himself. So it's like we who are in this part of the country, it's like we don't have no representative. Right. So we have to represent our own self. Well, the councillor, she used to be up and about, of course. But right now, from the last election, me no know, we hardly see her.
It can't reverse, man.
No, it can reverse.
Them can't reverse, man. Soon come, but them don't
I
come. They can't reverse.
If the government already would say, pay or sell out or do whatever them do with some money or whatever, I believe the government, because we the people don't decide, because this area here is our older folks, our ancestors. Yeah, they pass it on to generation. I believe it's our heritage and we want our children to come and inherit just as how we do. So to me, it's like the government now get some money off our heritage and behind our back, and then they cannot pay it back and want to destroy our livelihood now. In Centon and other places, driving through and passing through, you only see people houses catch up on a hill somewhere there and all of that.
As far as I know, normally if the government needs a parcel of land, there's a thing that is called compulsory acquisition, where they pay the person who lives on the land for the land. There has been no discussion around
none at
that.
all. None. We don't know them, we don't see them, none at all. I heard they are saying that it happened for many years back. We don't know. Growing up as a young person in this community, I don't see what politicians do for us as young people here. Nothing. Every day, every minute, them go have election. You see them run, come and tell us, say, them go do this, them go do that. Why they want to come and dig us up out of our heritage, what our foreparents give to us? Why they want to rob it from us? Why they want to take it away from us? No. We don't agree with that. Our children need this. I come and inherit it, and I want my children to come and inherit it, and I want my grandchildren to inherit it just the same. No, me hear them say no. One side is boundary protective area, and one side, where them get that from? That's true, we don't know nothing. We don't go here say them are coming to come mine helps. We don't go here say on the media that they are coming to helps, to mine helps. House of Spring, wherever. And we take it up from there because we say no, it cannot work. Nobody come in and say nothing to us.
But what's supposed the talking though, and the meetings and the demonstrations fail? What next though?
What next?
Yes.
We see up on Femi Hill, there whole Rockstone up there, one whole Rockstone up there. And we can make catapult too.
So,
and fire catapult after them.
Yeah,
yes.
man, revolution, man. And they're
We're not
ready
back
to
down. We decide because we're not mining the community. We're not mining it.
People from Port can buy demonstration.
Thank you, Brother Ralph.
The Port grave that is here.
Eh?
Where they going to
Eh?
dig up them and carry them?
Thank you, Brother
the
Ralph.
graves.
The
The
graves.
graves.
We're not fighting now. Because we're not in a war. But we are defending.
Yeah, man, our rights.
We're defending our rights because we have all right to defend our rights. And the government cannot sell we out like that and we not even know about it. They need to go somewhere else. Go up Beverly Hills. Go mine up there. Red dirt and loom up there.
Beverly
But they go mine. Up where Mr. Andrew live.
But me not think dirt. Then dirt no more much.
Honestly, we don't get no talk from nobody at all. We will go certain other places where claiming that them do bauxite in our mining and maybe not even grass don't grow there again. The place is condemned. And getting off the topsoil off of the earth come in like bone without flesh. You get what I mean? Built in the soil. Me no guess you go come through, you know. Because without food, how you going to live? How you going to survive? And we mostly, as me say, and me reverse it, farming is our main pros and our main thing that we live off. So, Mr. Bauxite will come in and just do him thing, and then him left me now as the little prodigal son, just sit by the roadside, having nothing to do, dig out the whole of my resources, do what he wants to do. Me is not a fisherman, so I can't live on the sea. I live on land.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.